Let's try a new design with my iDesign. First I try a quick conversion without any editing. So I select the design and just click on Next. It shows a message to remind me that I didn't edit the image. I also ignore it. This is the result, not practical, not workable on the machine. The question is, can we do better? I try the second time. I choose the same image, same size, same default color numbers. This time I filter the image to get a clean image. I enter into the image editor. I remove the background white color and then click on Next button to proceed. This time the result is better than before. But we can make it perfect. Let's do it. This time, I edit the image to get the best result. I open the same image, same colors. I filter the image and remove the noises. As I mentioned, it is better not to skip this step. I remove the background using the fill tool and transparent color. I make a layer from each color by clicking on this icon. Now I arrange the layers. The design color order will be the same. Upper layers will be embroidered first. If the black color is embroidered after the dark pink color, the result will be better. After arranging the layers, I edit each color. I use overlapping tool. This helps to avoid gaps in the design. I fill these areas, because they will be covered by other colors. This makes the design look better. This layer still have two colors. I separate them. And I set the eyes in white color, as the last color, so I can fill inside the yellow area. This dark pink color needs a little adjustment. First, I fix some areas. The black color will pass above these areas, so I can edit them, as you see. I use the transparent color and arc tool to separate some areas. This will simplify the complex areas and it will be converted more smooth. It is enough for now. If it needs any more editing, we can come back and edit more. I also fill inside these black areas, because the last color in white will appear at top of it. It is almost done. Let's go to next step. I leave the parameters as default and just add some underlay edge running. Good enough for a 2 minutes job. You can save it and make a sample immediately.